To prime my eyes, I'm using my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer and I'm pressing it onto the lid with my finger. I'm highlighting my brow bone with my MAC Single Shadow in Nylon. And for today's look, I'm gonna finally be using my new Amrezy palette, which I'm super excited about. I'm gonna start off by picking up the shade New Yorker with the Morphe M514 brush. And I'm gonna be placing this into the crease and then blending it up in circular motions. And we're gonna be building that color until we have the desired shade. Now with a round blending brush, I'm picking up Semsa and I'm keeping that closer to the crease. With the same brush, I'm picking up 1988 and I'm going to be placing this on the outer lid and blending it into the crease. To cut the crease, I'm using my Morphe M170 brush and my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And also guys, don't forget to blend out the concealer into the shadow. After I'm done blending out the concealer, I'm going to blend it a little bit more with the shadow brush. Now I'm going to be picking up the shade Barb with my NYX Dual Silicone Applicator and I'm applying that to the front of the lid. For the center shade, I'm picking up Cupcake and I'm pressing that in next to Barb. And I'm going to pick up a tiny bit of Reezy and blend that in between Cupcake and 1988. And to smoke out the lash line, I'm going to take New Yorker and Semsa once again and blend that in. And now I'm going to be applying two matte glitters and I'm going to mix these together. First I'm applying the pink hologram, then I'm going to apply pink hearts over that. I mix that in with my Maybelline Clear Brow Gel and I'm applying it with my Makeup Forever 224 brush. I'm going to curl my lashes really well with my MAC Eyelash Curler. Then I'm going to tie line my eyes with my Wet n Wild pencil liner in the shade Baby Scott Black. On the waterline, I'm applying the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in the shade Whiten. Now I'm adding a tiny bit of mascara on my lower lashes, which is going to be the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. For falsies today, I'm using the J Lash lashes in the style Madeline. I never mention it, but I always use the Duo Lash Adhesive. And that's going to be it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and give this a try. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I'll see you guys next time.